Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the channel, my name is Mohammad Yasir. I am a software engineer currently working in SoftBD Limited as Director Marketing. So today we are going to see how to create a new user in Gsuite. So this is the dashboard. You just click to the user icon. From here you will see there is how to add a new user. So once we click the new, will put the name of the user here. So this is the real user actually. We will put the user ID here, and so I have multiple domain over here. And so you put the password. If you want the user to change the password in the first login, you should make this enable, or you can even disable it if you want. So I'll keep it enabled so that once the user login, he'll have to use register the password on his first login actually. And then we just click the add user and we are done. So I hope this video was helpful. If you like the video, please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.